In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new Snapchat update. That is so simple and easy, and let's begin. And the first way to get your Snapchat update is, of course, open up your App Store, type in Snapchat in the search bar, select the Snapchat application, and here tap on that button if it button says update. Now if my button says open, I know that I have the latest version of my Snapchat. If you got update here, tap on that button and update your Snapchat to the latest version. But in some cases you may not get access to the new Snapchat features that brings with new updates. So let me show you what to do in that situation. You need to go to settings here, there select general, and then tap on iPhone storage right here, wait for a couple of seconds, then scroll down and you need to find your Snapchat application right here. Here it is. Select that and now tap on Upload App button right here. What's gonna happen in that situation? This action will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data like DMs and login information. So you clear up just application data to force reinstall the Snapchat application. Let me show you how it works. I tap on Upload App, then confirm that action. Now I see that all data was successfully removed, and then I just tap on reinstall app. Now Snapchat will be downloaded and installed on my device, and I will open it like I normally do, but all the files of that application will be reinstalled, so I'll get all the new features of the latest version of Snapchat. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.